Imagine this: two stars, each bigger than our sun, slamming into each other with the force of billions of nuclear bombs. A fiery collision so powerful it could light up an entire galaxy. Now, what if I told you that you could simulate this cataclysm right now from your computer? That's the magic of Universe Sandbox, a game where you get to play God with physics, smashing planets, hurling asteroids, and even making Earth crash into Jupiter. But here's the twist. What happens in the game isn't always what would really happen in space. And today, we're going to pit Universe Sandbox against reality to see just how epic and terrifying the universe's real battles truly are. Let's start small. In Universe Sandbox, you can take the moon and send it crashing into Earth with a single click. On screen, you'll see oceans boil, cities incinerate, and fire spread across continents. But in reality, if the moon actually struck Earth, the story would be far worse. The moon is over 7 billion tons of rock. Its impact wouldn't just scorch Earth, it would melt it. The collision would turn our planet into a glowing ocean of magma, erasing every trace of life. The Earth you're standing on right now would become an unrecognizable molten wasteland. Epic in the game, but reality is far more brutal. Now, what about planets colliding? In Universe Sandbox, smashing Mars into Earth is spectacular. Red dust fills the sky. Craters open like scars, and fragments orbit the planet like a brand new ring system. But in actual astrophysics, that scenario isn't just dramatic, it's history. Billions of years ago, scientists believe a Mars-sized body named Theia slammed into the young Earth. The impact ripped our planet apart, sending chunks of it into orbit. Over time, those fragments merged and became our moon. So in a way, the game simulation isn't just fantasy, it's replaying one of the most important real battles in cosmic history. Let's scale it up. In Universe Sandbox, you can fling asteroids at Earth and watch the destruction unfold. A mountain-sized rock can take out cities. A continent-sized one wipes the globe clean. But in real life, we already know what even a small asteroid can do. 66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid struck what's now Mexico. The result? Firestorms, tsunamis, a global blackout, and the extinction of the dinosaurs. The difference between simulation and reality here is chilling. The game shows spectacular destruction. But the real Earth experienced it. And humanity could face it again. Now let's go bigger. Star Wars on a cosmic scale. In Universe Sandbox, you can make two stars crash, watching them explode into dazzling clouds of gas. It looks cinematic, like fireworks in space. But in reality, the collision of stars is one of the most violent events in the universe. When neutron stars merge, the explosion, called a kilonova, creates gravitational waves that ripple across space-time itself. It also forges some of the heaviest elements in the universe: gold, platinum, uranium. That ring on your finger? It was born in the heart of a cosmic collision billions of years ago. The game can simulate the visuals, but reality gives us the origins of entire elements. And what about the ultimate battle? Black holes. In Universe Sandbox, you can drop a black hole into the solar system and watch as it eats everything. Earth gets torn apart, the sun is swallowed, and darkness reigns. That simulation is terrifying. But the truth? If a black hole even the size of Mount Everest drifted near our solar system, we wouldn't just see chaos, we wouldn't see anything. Its gravity would distort light, shred planets, and warp time itself. Unlike in the game, where you can zoom in and watch, in reality, we'd likely never see our destruction coming. So what does Universe Sandbox teach us? It gives us a sandbox to imagine, to play with cosmic forces beyond comprehension. But reality? Reality is bigger, scarier, and far more breathtaking than any simulation could ever capture. Because the truth is, the universe is constantly at war with itself. Stars collide, planets shatter, galaxies crash together in slow-motion battles lasting billions of years. Universe Sandbox lets us glimpse that chaos. But the real cosmos? It's not a simulation. It's the stage on which all of history, including ours, is written. So next time you fire up Universe Sandbox and launch the moon at Earth, remember, these aren't just video game scenarios. Some already happened. Some are happening right now, light years away. And some could happen again, right here. The universe is the greatest battlefield of all, and we are just tiny spectators. That's the thrilling story of Universe Sandbox vs. reality. If you want more journeys into cosmic what-ifs, smash that like button, subscribe, and join us as we explore the biggest battles the universe has to offer.